Right back, ZipCode. You look good in the mini grass. Just want to let you know, ZipCode, ModSquad. Hello, ZipCode, ModSquad. Right back around Honolulu. Right back, ZipCode. You take care, man. Enjoy the day. ZipCode, ZipCode, ModSquad, ZipCode, ModSquad, cruising downtown Honolulu. And I hear PaPa out there too. You guys have a good time. ModSquad gone. Right back, ZipCode. Take it, man. You up in front in Honolulu. Hella good on ZipCode, ModSquad, Mobile. ZipCode, ModSquad, Mobile, cruising Honolulu. I'm gone again. Aloha.
Hey, ModSquad. I heard you say you hear me, ModSquad. You hear me from back of my scrap out, ModSquad. I heard you say you hear old PaPa out there. But you hear me from back of my scrap out. He ain't down here, ModSquad. Hey, tell ZipCode, still, man. I ain't gonna kill him no more, ModSquad. Because, please, one time to speak to you, and I'm going to tell them I won't come back. Bye, bye, bye.
Okay, PaPa, you take it, man. You downtown Honolulu, loud and proud, PaPa. You said hello to ZipCode. You did say hello to ZipCode too there. Take it, PaPa, ModSquad, Mobile, Honolulu. Read the mail.
Yeah, that's all right, ModSquad. Tell ZipCode he can go ahead and tell ModSquad I ain't gonna key no more. Tell PaPa that I'm not gonna key no more, ModSquad. I'm just simple.
Right there, PaPa. You said you ain't gonna key no more. You said tell ZipCode you ain't gonna key no more. Take it, PaPa, ModSquad, Mobile. Hello, 707 and RangerWalker. I got you too there. RangerWalker 707. I heard both of you. ModSquad, right back, Honolulu. Right back, 707 right there. You did it right there. Take it, 707. Hello, 707, ModSquad, right back, downtown Honolulu. Read the mail. And that's my Roger, 707. That's my Roger, right back to you, 707, ModSquad, Honolulu. Take them on care, 707, ModSquad, Mobile. Read the mail. Bye, PaPa. Aloha.
All right, ModSquad. I'm thinking to stand by, ModSquad. Walker was calling you out that day. I don't know what happened with 707 was the goddamn mall already. ModSquad, PaPa, just
All right, PaPa, take it. Yeah, I had a RangerWalker in there too there. Take it, RangerWalker 707, RangerWalker, ModSquad, Honolulu. Bye, bye, bye. Okay, 707, you can do it in a big horn right there, 707. Take them on care, 707. You're working it in a big horn. ModSquad, Mobile, Honolulu. Right back. Read the mail. Got it all, got it all, got it all, 707, got it all, 707, you walking downtown mini grass, 707, ModSquad, Honolulu. Hey, PaPa, you in front, PaPa. Hey, PaPa, you up in front there. Take it, PaPa. You walking all by yourself? Hello, PaPa, Mod Squad, Honolulu, right back. Read the mail. Right back, PaPa. As you go back 10-7, you ain't gonna hurt nobody. Hey, PaPa, you're not gonna hurt nobody. You gonna take a standby? PaPa, Mod Squad, Mobile, Honolulu. Got you. Now we out. Back SwitchBlade, I got it, man. I got it, man. I got the 5 earlier too there. Take it there. Once again, SwitchBlade. Sorry to hear about your big brother out there on the west side, man. Mod Squad, Mobile, downtown Honolulu. Right back. Aloha. Got it all, SwitchBlade, got it all, man. Hey, SwitchBlade, he be my big brother too, man. Hey, SwitchBlade, that be my big brother too there. Hello, SwitchBlade, Mod Squad, Honolulu.
Mod Squad, that makes you my little brother. Hey, Mod Squad, SwitchBlade, so that makes you my little brother. And SwitchBlade, so you are protected. Because I got my phone, you nobody messing my family. Hey, Mod Squad, SwitchBlade, so you my little brother, so you are protected. Mod Squad, I see you.
And I got it all, SwitchBlade, man. You working at downtown Honolulu, man. Take it, SwitchBlade, man. You have a good day, man. I know it'd be a rough day hearing about it, but we'll try to make the best of it. SwitchBlade, Mod Squad, Honolulu, aloha.
Hey, right on, Mod Squad, with SwitchBlade, so is this home coming? SwitchBlade says his home going. He'll be okay. Hey, Mod Squad, SwitchBlade, so my older brother, Skip Shooter, been there doing that. He's gonna be okay. Skip Shooter might be gone, but his brother, the Skip Shooter, still is gone. They can call you later, Mod Squad, SwitchBlade. My Skip Shooter's little brother, I got down.
Got it all. Take it, SwitchBlade. Okay, man. Mind if I find one? SwitchBlade, Mod Squad, Mobile. SwitchBlade, that's my big brother on the west side. Take it, SwitchBlade, Mod Squad, gone. Aloha. Got it all, SwitchBlade. You got a hammer down. Take it, SwitchBlade. You got that hammer down in Honolulu. Mod Squad, Mobile, copy the mail. Contact. I'm going to say hello to Alabama Kid. I heard him when you let go, SwitchBlade. Take it, Alabama Kid, Mod Squad, Honolulu, night. Aloha. Famous5 right there, Famous5. I'll talk to you too there. Take it, Famous5, Mod Squad, Honolulu. Famous5. Okay, Famous5, you take care too there, Famous5. Have a good one. Looking good in the mini grass. Famous5, Mod Squad, Mobile, aloha. And I'll see you there, Famous5. You take care, man. You working at downtown Honolulu, Hawaii. You too there, SwitchBlade. You take care, man. Famous5 did say hello to you guys too. Mod Squad, Mobile, Honolulu. Read the mail.
Hey, Mod Squad, what about Unit2?
Right back, Famous5, right back. Yeah, Unit2. I hear Unit2 out there also. Unit2, have a good one. Take it, Famous5, man. I heard him when you let it go there. Unit2, jump up in there too. Mod Squad, Mobile, aloha. there. Right there, Famous5. Hey, Famous5. When you let go, I heard long-winded don't make you 10-8 there. But ModSquad right back in Honolulu there. Come on. Bye, Unit2. Is that you? Have a good one. Okay, he take care of Famous5 and Unit2 and SwitchBlade and the Good Time Gang. ModSquad Mobile cruising downtown Honolulu. Now we are. Right there, Famous5. Okay, man, you say don't let him piss on himself or something like that. Take care, Famous5, Unit2, and a Good Time Gang. ModSquad, Honolulu. Check back. Aloha. Okay, take care, Famous5, man. 5-3 jumping up and down on the Big Island too. ModSquad, Mobile, Honolulu. Check back, and the Mobile gone. Aloha.